Today we're gonna make something that is like oatmeal plus peanut butter and honey on toast, plus the convenience of being able to just pull it out of your lunch kit. We're gonna be making energy balls. To start with, we're just gonna grab a large mixing bowl, and then we're gonna measure out 1 1/4 cups of oats. You can use rolled oats or you can use quick oats. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can substitute this with other nut butters like almond butter or even sunflower seed butter. Then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of liquid sweetener. I'm using honey. A little trick when you're measuring out honey is to oil the container that you measure it out in first. Just grease it a little bit on the bottom, and then when you take the honey out, it comes out really easily. Then we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of mix-ins such as ground flax, chia seeds, hemp hearts. I'm adding ground flax seeds. Next, we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of mix-ins such as chocolate chips, raisins, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, whatever you want. I'm using pumpkin seeds and raisins, so I'm gonna use about 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds and 1/4 cup of raisins. This is my favorite combination because the pumpkin seeds are really crunchy and they stay crunchy, and the raisins add that like burst of sweetness. Now you just give it a mix. Once the mixture is well combined, all that's left to do is shape them. I grab about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time and just squeeze them in my hand and roll them into a ball. If it's too sticky to roll, you can add a bit more oats, or you can stick it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and try again. If it's too crumbly to roll into a ball, you might need to add a little bit more peanut butter or a little bit more sweetener. My family always has these on stock in her fridge because they're a really easy thing to just grab when you come in for a snack from outside or when you come home from work or school. All right, these are all done. This took me less than 15 minutes, and the recipe is so easy that I think I had it memorized after my first time making them. I hope you guys find this recipe as quick and delicious as I do, and I'll see you next time.